Welcome again to Bell CB, everybody. This is a repair report, real quick one here for James in Colorado. Just had his radio in here last month, and the technician at the repair shop, the auto repair shop, hooked it up backwards on him, so we had to figure out why it wouldn't transmit anymore. This was the guy right here. I found it fairly quickly. I've seen this happen before. No keying up because the trace is open on the mic board. That little was burned up right now, but it used to be a little RF choke. Sits in the mic board. And that sucker is open, so you get no transmit signal. It just seems like you got no mic connected. And I will just quick little demonstration of operation. Looking at a 100 watt scale here on the top, 25 watts. Audio check, 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 check. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check, check, check. Just over 100. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Check, 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 check. Audio 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check, 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 check. Audio. And check, check, check. Audio, check, check. Audio, 1 2 3 4. Check, check. Check, check, check. Audio. Hey. Oh shit. I was stuck in it.
Stick it again, just make sure.
Alright, stick. Audio, check, check, check. This thing sound alright?
Sounds fine to me.
Thank you, driver. Your radio sounds good too. You have a good evening. Thanks for coming back to me.